What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton. Today we're going to be talking about the compatibility test for your Nest third generation product. This video will show you exactly where to go to find that compatibility test and the step-by-step process in order to complete it. If this is your first time here checking out this video or our channel, we ask you to subscribe. The reason for that is we produce project and review videos in helping you know the easy and simple steps that it takes to turn your house into a home. If you want to see project videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right here. But as far as the compatibility test, let's get started. On the packaging it says go to nest.com/works. When I went to this website, there's not an obvious place where you have a compatibility checker, unless I'm completely blind and missed it. This page was pretty much telling me all the other devices that the Nest is compatible with, and not necessarily if my current furnace is compatible with the Nest. So I hopped onto Google and searched compatibility Nest. This brought me to a Nest website, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there are a list of devices that you can select and open up a step-by-step compatibility checker. Open this checker up and make sure you're near your thermostat and hit get started. You'll want to pop off your thermostat, and this is a Honeywell thermostat, so the face does just come right off. Hit continue on the compatibility checker, and next it'll ask you to look for frayed or capped wires that are tied together. If you have these wires or anything else that's listed in this section, Nest will not work with your current system. You may have to call an electrician to convert your current system to be compatible with Nest. Hit continue if you know that you're still compatible up until this point, and select the labels that are being used on your current thermostat. You'll see here that I selected 5 different labels. Hit continue and you may be asked a follow-up question depending on the labels that you selected. After you answer the follow-up questions, it'll tell you if you're compatible. Thanks for checking out today's video. If you want to see other project videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right here, and don't forget to click on this link to subscribe so you don't miss out on future project or review videos that we have in the pipeline. Be sure to check out our Facebook and Instagram account that you can find right here. Hopefully this video was helpful for you, and if it was, leave a comment down below and we'll see you next time.